Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2024 Agriculture Optional Paper 2. So the question is, what is allopolyploidy? Describe its applications and limitations in the crop. So this is a 20 marks question and we have to attempt in the range of 250 to 300 words. Now first of all, what do you mean by allopolyploidy? So a polyploid organism which originates by combining the complete sets of chromosomes from two or more species is known as allopolyploid, and such condition is referred to as allopolyploidy. And what is polyploid organism? Which has a more than two sets of chromosomes. Allopolyploidy can be developed by the interspecific crosses, and fertility is restored by the chromosome doubling with colchicine treatment. Now, the allopolyploids are of two types, natural and synthetic. So, examples of natural are wheat, cotton, tobacco, synthetic triticale raphanum So, here are the examples. So, in case of tobacco, the Nicotiana sylvestris was crossed with Nicotiana tomentosa. So, it resulted into the Nicotiana tabacum. So, it is an diploid. While in case of triticale, it is a synthetic allopolyploid. In this, the Triticum turgidum, which is a variety of the wheat, was crossed with the Sickle cereal, that is called rye. So it resulted into the triticale, that is hexaploid. Now the applications of allopolyploidy. Number one is it helps in tracing the origin of the crop species. Number second, in the creation of the new species, example triticale. That triticale is a allopolyploid and it was crossed between the wheat and rye. So it combines the desirable characteristics of both species, that is grain quality of the wheat and the hardiness of the rye. Now third is interspecific gene transfer. So it is done in two ways, that is alien addition and the alien substitution. Such type of transfer is generally made for the disease resistance. Example, mosaic resistance was transferred from the Nicotiana glutinosa to the Nicotiana tabacum through the alien addition. Fourth is bridging the crosses. Sometimes the direct cross between the two species is not possible due to the sterility in the F1. So first an amphidiploid is made between two such species and then it is crossed with the recipient species. Example, made for the transfer of genes from the wild species in the tobacco and cotton. Now what are the limitations of allopolyploidy? The effects cannot be predicted, sometimes may be undesirable. Second, newly synthesized allopolyploids have many defects like low fertility, poor seed set, genetic instability, which has to be improved through extensive breeding at the polyploidy level, so which is laborious and time taking. And third, only small proportion of allopolyploids are promising. So these are the limitations of allopolyploidy. Thank you and keep watching my videos.